And to store my art till next time, I'm going to very gently put my extra clay and my art piece back into the bag. Zip it up, try to get some of the air out, and then zip it. Let's see here. Here we are zipping it, and then putting it to the side so my partners can fit. If it gets a little bit bent, it's okay. I just unbend it the next time. So the next time when I go to take it out, very carefully bringing it out. If I'm finding that there's any part of it that got a little squished or bent, I can just unbend it, unsquish it. The bag kept it from drying out.